Hi everyone, hope you're all doing really well today. I'm just coming on here really quickly today to do an unboxing of a bag that I just received in the mail today. This is an older or a past season of the Coach Dreamer, and I'm anxious as always and a little nervous, always nervous when I get something pre-loved because you just never know. You never know what kind of condition the bag's going to come in, and also I haven't seen it in person, so let's see if it lives up to everything I'm hoping it does. So it is a smaller bag. I've opened the box, but I haven't unpacked it. So this is how it came. By the way, I love when a seller puts the bag in a plastic bag. I always do that when I resell any of my items because you just never know weather-wise, right? And especially because this is a fabric bag. So it looks like, oh, let's get rid of that. It looks like they packaged it in the same, has the name of the bag here from 2019. So I guess this is when it originally came out. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at how cute this is. This is the Dreamer 21, I think, in the denim material. So I don't know a lot about Dreamers. I just don't. I haven't always been a Coach fanatic. So, but I saw this. I don't know where I saw it actually. It always happens that when I'm looking for something else, I come across another bag, and so I happen to come across this, and I love denim bags. I don't have a lot of luxury denim bags, but I just love denim bags in general, and when I saw this with the multi colors of denim, they've got the light wash. Let me turn on my light, guys. Sorry. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Okay, you can see a little bit better now. But it's got different washes of denim. So it's got this like light wash and then just a, right here we can see right here in the fold. It's not a new bag, so you've probably seen it before, but it's got just a regular, I don't know what I would describe as denim, and then a dark wash on the side, and then it's got blue leather as piping and on the bottom, and I just want to inspect it really quick. I'm trying to think what the condition listed it as. I want to say it was listed as new without tags. So it looks pretty good. You can see in here. I love that this opens up like that, so it's got that gusset on the side. So it's not a really tight squeeze in there. Same thing on the other side. And then that little details of the tea roses on all four corners. And let's see. Let's open her up. Okay, she came with her dust bag. So that's nice. And strap, single long adjustable strap. And let's take a good look at the inside. So here she is. Like this bag just screams spring to me. How cute it is. I would say she's in very good condition. She still has, I don't know if you can see that, the tabs are still have its protective covering on it. Even the zipper pull in here. And she does have her little Coach Care card. And on the other side, just in case you haven't seen this bag, because I didn't see this bag before until a couple of weeks ago. She's got a small pocket. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. She's got tiny handles. So you could not use it as a shoulder bag. I don't like when I use a bag as a shoulder bag for it to hang really long. So let's see. Got these straps. So the straps go out of the way. The strap attachments are crisscross. I'm not always the biggest fan of that, just because the bag may hang a little funny that way. But because she is a smaller bag, it may work. Okay. So let's see if you can tell. Sorry guys. What she looks like. Okay, that's cute. So she looks, just taking a little smell, because sometimes fabric bags can absorb, I feel like they can absorb smells or scents a lot more intensely than, let's say, a leather bag. I can get a good view of the different tonal of all the washes of denim. So how cute is she? So I found her on eBay. Like I said, this bag was not on my radar. I just happened upon it when I was doing a search for another bag. And I quickly just did a search to see if she was available somewhere, and I found her. Sorry about that, guys. So as I was saying, this bag was an impulse buy because I didn't even know the bag existed prior to last week. But yeah, now she's here, and I'm so happy that the transaction went really well. You just never know when you're buying from an individual versus like a PILAB website. Yeah, so that would be a tip of mine if you are purchasing from an individual seller. Look at the other items they're selling, and do they have 5 of the same bag? To me, that would be a bit of a concern or a red flag if they have 5 of the same item or multiples of the same item. I honestly prefer to buy from sellers who are kind of like me. They just love handbags, and maybe they're downsizing, or maybe some bags just didn't work out, and so they're trying to find their bag a good home. And you can kind of tell by what they're selling. Also, just really read the reviews, and if they do have any bad reviews, see how the seller responded. Um, that would be another tip that I would use when I'm buying a pre-loved bag from someone that I don't know, obviously. So I hope you found that useful in case that you're searching for a handbag that's from a past season or several years ago. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.